Top 3 best free poster maker app on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys the top 3 best free poster maker app on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your App Store. On your App Store, head over to the search bar and simply search for poster. After you search for it, you'll get a lot of different options. So the first one is obviously Canva. So you must have heard of Canva and you must have used it at some point as well. So Canva is a really popular and a really easy, handy app that can be used for poster making. You can not only make posters from it, you can edit your videos, you can edit your photos, and you can even make presentations from Canva. So Canva is one of the most popular and currently one of the top used poster maker app for iPhone and even for Android. So this is the first one. You can definitely try it out. And after this, the second one is called Poster Maker. So it's this one right here. So this is also another popular app which you can easily use to create posters. As you can see, there are a lot of different interactive and there are a lot of different fun combos here you can use. You can see different templates available as well. So yeah, this is another one of those apps. Now after this, the other app, the last one, is called Digital Poster Maker. So let me just search that up. So this app is mostly available for your Android users. If you don't find it on your iOS device, don't worry, you can simply head over to your poster maker. This is another one of those apps. So this is also a really free one. This is a really easy to use app which you can get for free. You can download this and start using it for your poster designs as well. And those are the top 3 best free poster maker apps for iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.